Tuesday, November 25th, 2025. Changing Seasons by Valerie Clark, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Read Ecclesiastes 3, 1-8. Habakkuk said, "I will rejoice in the Lord. I will joy in the God of my salvation." Just as the seasons change, we experience different seasons in our lives. My family is currently going through a difficult season. My 4-year-old granddaughter has had an extensive bladder operation, and we are exhausted from time spent at her bedside in the hospital. But we are confident that God is merciful and will bring us through this season. There will come a time of rejoicing. The prophet Habakkuk experienced a season where everything seemed to be going wrong. Still, his faith made him determined to rejoice in God and have faith. In Habakkuk 3, the prophet proclaims his confidence in God. Maybe you are going through a dreaded season right now, one that involves sickness, financial difficulties, broken relationships, or grief. But these things will pass. In all circumstances, we can continually give thanks for God's mercy and grace. Dear Lord, thank you for being with us through the changing seasons of our lives. Amen.